Alright guys, I say clip 2 on this one. This is a flip home. It's really bad. I mean, it's really bad. And let's take a look at some of the items. We showed some items on the roof issues, but we got some pretty bad things going on in the inside here. So there's a lot of abandoned cables in here, and there was a lot of them that are not connected. Like for instance, this one. It's still hot. And then let's go around here. This might take a minute, but you can see all this fresh framing in here. I'm not even sure why they're supporting to the old rafters. There's a hole right through into the sky, right onto the drywall here. You can see all this extra supports, which I'm not sure why they're doing that. There's no real explanation here of why they're adding that. And then we've got old Romex here that's exposed. There's missing insulation. There's missing insulation on the ductwork. I'm gonna take a crawl through here. You can just see the poor workmanship here. Sorry for the video a little off because we're crawling through here. This is what it takes to be an inspector. So we got some pretty bad wiring in here. Again, just kind of a conglomeration of mess here. Trying to find where that one box at. Check this beauty out. That's not even 110 watt wiring, that's 220. You see that? The copper is right on top of the insulation. So this is a hazard. So there's a lot of major defects in their flip. A lot of safety hazards. There's gonna be probably another take or two here. The water heater's got a really bad safety issue. So we'll probably take a look at that and make it part 3 of flip series. That's what we maybe call it here, as bad as it's been in here. So stay tuned. Come back for more videos. Follow us on Facebook, like our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time. First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeInspection.com.